Yo, what's going on, guys? Back out here for another day of trout fishing. I'm at a new stream. I've never fished here before. It's pretty back in here, but I'm not fishing this stream blind. Someone told me about this creek, so I know this one has fish. So stopped at Sheets earlier and got a sandwich, chicken, bacon, egg. I'm gonna eat this right here as I enjoy the views of the river. Check this out, first fish of the day. It's the little guy, but fishing's been a little slow this morning. So I'm thankful for this fish, gives me a little confidence boost. I just had a hit. I see a couple fish in here. It's a tight spot, but man. There's one. Little guy. Ooh. Knocked her on the line. Just a little guy. There's definitely more in this hole. Super deep. See if we can get him. Jeez. Another hit and miss. Got him that time. Oh, he came off right at my feet. That fish was slightly bigger, still not a giant. Maybe 5 or 6 inch fish. That's just deep here. Should definitely be some fish in this hole. Got one. That's a better one. There we go. There we go. Isn't a giant fish, but it's a little bit bigger. I'll grab a picture of him and then I'll throw him back. It's that fish. Pretty one. I'll let him go. Got a decent fish here. Here's, I'll let him go. I'll let him go here and then I'll show you where he was laying. Just swam. He was laying in this riffle here. I cast it up from the tail out. I cast about halfway up the riffle, and as soon as that fly hit the water, he picked it up on his lateral line, and he swam backwards down through the pool. I saw him take the fly. Alright guys, I'm calling it a day. I've been fishing up this stream and it's getting pretty small, and it looks like it's suffering from some sediment issues. A lot of silt up here. Caught a few fish, but it's starting to slow down, so I'm gonna head back and call it a day. So been a good day. Caught a few fish, mostly small, but it's whatever. It's beautiful out here though, so it was worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching.